Making ice pops at home can be time-consuming and messy. That's where our Quicksicle Maker set comes in. With this set, you can make customized frozen treats in minutes with your favorite ingredients, and you can feel good about sharing them. With these cool products, you can make your own custom treats fast. The liquid inside the Quicksicle Maker, combined with the material of the wells, takes juice from a liquid to a frozen pop in as little as 8 minutes. And you can make up to 3 batches in a row for even more fun. It's normal for each round to take a little bit longer to freeze. To speed things up, just put the base back in the freezer. The removal key makes it easy to get the finished Quicksicles out of the base. The base comes with 6 sticks, and each well makes a 2-ounce Quicksicle. The Quicksicle Maker works best with fruit juice. You can even add natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to mixes. Some ingredients like sugar-free mixes don't work because they freeze very hard and can't be removed until the base defrosts. Here's how it works. Before you get started, freeze the base 24 hours. Now make your recipe. Juices work great. If you're adding sliced fruit, use the tweezers included in the deluxe Quicksicle accessory set to place thin slices on the walls, and use the paddle end to pat them into place. Place the sticks into the wells. Then pour in the liquid to the fill line. If you want to make even stripes every time, use the lines on the measuring cup included in the deluxe Quicksicle accessory set to guide you. After you pour each layer, let it freeze completely, then add the next layer. Let them freeze on the counter for about 8 to 15 minutes, depending on your ingredients. You can pop the Quicksicle Maker into the freezer to help them freeze faster. When they're done freezing, there may be a little bit of liquid near the top of the stick. Then, use the key to remove the Quicksicles from the molds. You just twist the key with one hand until you feel some tension. You'll see the Quicksicle pull away from the mold walls just a bit. Twist the key the opposite direction to remove it. Then pull it straight up and out of the mold. The base and the key are hand wash only. Let the base thaw completely before washing. Everything else is dishwasher safe. The entire Quicksicle Maker collection carries a 1-year guarantee. Now you know everything you need to have the best summer ever.